الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. By the grace of Allah Almighty, today we are going to start lesson number 12 from Madani Qaida, which is about known sakinah and tanween. What is sakin and what is tanween? We already learned in previous lectures. Today's lecture is the backbone of Tajweed. The main focus of Tajweed is on this topic, known sakin and tanween. Here in this lecture, we will learn about the four cases of known sakin and tanween. We learn their names, and we also learn the two cases of Tajweed. So let's start. There are four cases of known sakinah and tanween. First one, Izhar. Second one, Ikhfa. Third one, Idgham. The fourth and last one is Iqlab. So let's study what's Izhar. If any halaqiyya letter, what are halaqiyya letters? Here mention Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, and Kha. These 6 letters are called halaqiyya letters. When these letters comes after a noon sakina and tanween, then Izhar will be done. Okay, when these letters, remember this line, that if any halaqiyya letter comes after noon sakina or tanween, then Izhar will be done. What is Izhar? The Izhar means to read the word properly without nasalization. Gunna will not be done when pronouncing such a noon sakin and tanween. What is gunna? You will be more clear when we study ikhfa. So in Izhar, gunna will not be done. What is Izhar? You will say if any halaqiyya letter comes after noon sakin or tanween, Izhar will be done. Let's take an example. Here, min ajalin. Here is noon sakin, and after noon sakin, Hamza will come, which is from the haruf halaqiyya. So Izhar will be done here. Min ajalin. All the letters will be read properly. Min ajalin, min hadin, min alaqin, min hakimin, min ghafurin, min khawfin. So in this way, Izhar will be done. Let's move on to the second case, Ikhfa. If any Ikhfa letter comes after a noon sakina or tanween, the Ikhfa will be done. This is the same case here, but only the letters will be changed, and in the previous case, in Izhar, Gunna has not been done, but here in Ikhfa, Gunna will be done. So if any Ikhfa letter comes after a noon sakin or tanween, then Ikhfa will be done. Gunna will be done when pronouncing such a noon sakin or tanween. What is Gunna? You will see here. There are 15 Ikhfa letters. Ta, Tha, Jim, Dal, Zal, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, Ta, Za, Fa, Qaf, and Ka. Don't need to learn these letters, just remember huruf halaqiyya, which are lesser in number, only 6 letters. You have to learn 6 letters, and if there is no halaqiyya letter come after noon sakin tanween, then ikhfa will be done, and other 2 cases will become. So let's see example of ikhfa. فَمَن تَبِعَ. In this way, ikhfa will be done. Nun sakin, and after nun sakin, harufi ikhfa. One of the harufi ikhfa comes, so ikhfa will be done. فَمَن تَبِعَ. You stretch the voice of nun sakin or tanween. مِن ثَمَرَةٍ. Okay, let's see another example. مِن جُوعٍ مِن دُونِكُمْ. This is the examples of nun sakin. Let me see here the examples of Tajweed here. Look at here. عَذَابًا أَلِيمًا. After nun tanween. After nun tanween, hamza is came. So izhar will be done here. And here after nun tanween, harufi ikhfa come. So ikhfa will be done. خَيْرٍ تَجِدُوهُ. Okay. So this is ikhfa. Not. The rules of idgham and iqlab had been explained in lesson number 14. Inshallah, in lesson number 14, we will learn about the idgham and iqlab, the other two cases of nun sakin and tanween. This is very easy, just need to remember these rules, okay? So, I'm not going to read the whole exercise. I just gave you examples. So, please read all the lecture properly, and if you don't understand any word, so you can ask me in the comment section. So in the today lecture, we learn about the two cases of nun sakinah and tanween. First one is har, and the second one is ikhfa. So please remember these, and also remember the huruf halaqiyya. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.